Redmi's Note series was always popular in the smartphone market for people looking for budget devices with a big screen and decent specifications at a very competitive price segment. Well, that soon changed because the smartphone market was flooded with smartphones from Honor, Huawei, Xiaomi, Leeco, which eventually failed, Realme, and several such brands who offered similar hardware for similar price segments. Xiaomi had to go in and had to differentiate itself in the smartphone market by using their MIUI software interface. Well, looks like there is some good news from Redmi Note 5 Pro users because an Pi-based MIUI 10 beta update has started rolling out. That is obviously only for people who were signed up for this closed beta, but it is good news for everyone having a Redmi Note 5 Pro because this means that the launch of a stable update isn't very far away. So in my opinion, you should see the stable update coming in next to 2 to 3 months. Right now it is in closed beta. I think in about a month you should see an open beta, and after 2 to 3 months it will be rolled out as in stable update. It is reported to measure 1.7 gigabytes in size, and one user notes that the update brings dark mode, MIUI notification style changes, new options in settings, and much more like digital balance that is a staple feature of Android Pie. Thank you for watching this video.